Electricity. What is electricity? Electricity is a form of energy that results from the flow of the existence of charged particles. And what are charged particles? Two of the tiny particles that make up atoms, protons and electrons, are the bearers of an electric charge. There are two types of charge, positive and negative. Protons have the positive charge and electrons have negative charge. Electric current. Electric current refers to the flow of electric charge carried by electrons that jump from atom to atom. An electric circuit is a closed loop made up of conductors and other electrical elements through which electric current can flow. For example, a very simple electrical circuit consists of three elements: a battery, a lamp, and a wire that connects the two. There are various examples of electric circuits at your home. Your LEDs, your TVs, your microwaves, etc. all examples of electric circuits. LED or light emitting diode. A light emitting diode is a semiconductor light source that emits light when current flows through it. It's used as an indicator, lamp, etc. LED has two legs, the anode, the positive leg, and the cathode, the negative leg. The LED can't take large amounts of current, therefore it needs to be connected through a resistor. The schematic of the LED is given below. Resistors. A resistor is an electrical component that limits or regulates the flow of electrical current in a circuit. Resistors can be used to provide a specific voltage for an active device such as a transistors. Example of the usage of resistor is when we have an LED that can take up 3 volts of a voltage, but we have a battery that gives 9 volts. So therefore we need to connect the LED through a resistor so that the current is slowed down. Therefore only a specific amount of current comes to the LED. Here is the resistors color coding chart. The resistors color coding chart, it allows us to decode the values of the resistors color bands which are coded with numerals, allowing us to know its value. Breadboard. A breadboard is a construction base for prototyping of electronics. Solderless breadboards connect pin to pin metal strips inside the breadboard. Strips consist of interconnected electrical components. Now let's understand the connections. There are two types of connections on a breadboard: terminal strips and bus strips. Let's start with terminal strips. It's the main layer that holds most of the electrical components. In the middle of the terminal strip, there is a notch running in parallel to the long side. It is to mark the center. The clips on the right and left of the notch are connected in a radial manner. Typically, 5 clips in a row on each side of the notch are electrically connected. Bus strips. Bus strips, power junctions, or power rails are used to provide power to the electrical components. It usually contains 2 columns, one for ground and one for supply voltage. Some manufacturers connect all the terminals in a column, or some could just connect a few groups of 5 pins. So friends, this is all for this video. In the next video, we shall be coming back to Arduino and understanding it. Signing off for the day, guys. Thank you.